Good evening, folks. Mark here at the Fancave. What I have today is actually a Fanimation Crease that I installed. I bought this at a Habitat, brand new in the box, and thought it was kind of cool. It's got 6 plastic blades. Light kit. So that would be. I sold the cam view that I had up here, so decided to. I actually installed a blender fan, an old K63, but that was had kind of a burning smell to it. That because the K63 motors have a propensity to get really hot, so I decided to that was going to be kind of unpleasant to sleep under, so decided to put this up instead, and had it up here for a few months now, probably about 6 months, and I love it. Moves a decent amount of air. I'll start off on slow. I'm not getting much of a reading at all from the anemometer. Yeah, it still says 0.0, but it's going, it's moving quite a bit of air. Kick it up to medium. This has the remote. Okay, now I'm at a reading of 2.4 miles per hour and on medium. And then every day when I sleep, I always put it on fast, on high. Right now on high, I'm getting a reading of 4.3 miles per hour. And for a small plastic fan, this actually moves quite a bit of air. I have no regrets at all. I'm glad I installed it. I think it looks really cool in this setting. Like I said, I use it every day when I sleep, and it moves plenty of air. It's very quiet. And to shut it off, it's just the little fan-shaped button right here. I'll do the test the lights while I'm doing the spin down. The lights, and it has the, you can adjust by holding it, you can adjust the brightness of it. Turn it down all the way or up all the way. Yeah, and these are actually available at, I believe these are available at Lowe's, but, I think they're a couple $100 or something like that. But I actually acquired this one, like I said, at Habitat up in New Hampshire, and brand new in the box, still fully sealed. Got a pretty good price for it, so I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. Had it for a while, was thinking about just selling it, but it's I thought it would look kind of cool in this setting, and I like it, so keep this up here for a while. And anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please do subscribe to my page called the Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. If you could click like on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck. We're going to need it.